In this video, you will see how to merge tables in WPS Office. If you have two separate tables in WPS Office, then what you need to do is select the table that you want to merge, right click and then copy the table. After copying, you can either click upside of the table and then paste the table. After doing that, you need to remove this space, so you can just press delete on your keyboard and the table will merge. Similarly, you can also merge the table at the bottom. You just have to paste the table like this below the bottom, or if you have a space between two tables, you simply need to click inside the blank space inside the tables and press delete on your keyboard to merge the tables together. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn WPS Office quickly. See you again in the next one.